Cardano's next big upgrade, the Vassal upgrade, is now scheduled in September 2022. This upgrade will allow Cardano to scale its operations and will also reduce transaction cost on its blockchain. With more and more users entering into the Web3 world, it has become important for the blockchains to not only be secure but also be able to handle more transactions. And the recent upgrades with the Ethereum merge and now the Cardano Vassal upgrade are essentially a step towards this direction. Well, this Vassal hard fork underwent many delays for 3 months and now it's finally coming out on within this month, the September 2022. However, there was no impact on Cardano's price following this news. The token is currently in a bearish mode, down from its highs. For the last few months, BlackRock Capital has been in news for its array into the blockchain products and Bitcoin and cryptocurrency based products. Recently, it tied up with Coinbase and now it is going to offer a Bitcoin index fund which will be based out the CF benchmark, which is again a subsidiary of Kraken crypto exchange. Well, BlackRock Capital aims to be one of the earliest investor funds within the crypto space, which is still in its early stages, and it wants to provide its investors exposure to cryptos, Bitcoin and Ethereum particularly, through its products. And this is a welcome change as more and more investor funds are coming into crypto markets and offering investor funds tailored to crypto industry. And in an interesting NFT announcement, FIFA has declared and announced a new NFT collections for its upcoming FIFA World Cup. Well, as per them, this NFT collection will be a collection of all the classic moments in the history of the game in the World Cups. This FIFA Plus Collect, which will launch in this month, will allow the fans to own and trade various NFTs which will represent one of the greatest goals, the greatest saves, and various interesting moments of the World Cup in the recent history. This is exciting. We also saw NBA launching their NFT collectibles, calling the NFT the NBA Top Spot, which was a basketball collectible. This fandom that these sports teams have can be leveraged in a way that it can give way to a NFT marketplace and will open new ways for the fans to engage with the game in more revolutionizing ways possible. Amid the massive layoffs happening everywhere, Snapchat recently laid off its Web3 team. Recently, Snapchat's Q2 numbers were disappointing. It showed the lowest growth for the company in the past 5 years. The company is apparently going for a restructure. It has shut down its Web3 development team and it has also shut down its AR development team, where we saw many experimental features of Snapchat coming together. Now all those things have been put to a halt by the company. Soon you may be able to buy NFTs directly from your TV. Yes, LG has released its NFT marketplace, which is called LG Art Labs. This market lab is built on the Hedera blockchain, which means that users will be able to buy and sell their Hedera NFTs right from their LG TVs. Just some weeks back, Samsung launched its entire NFT ecosystem into its Samsung TVs, and now LG has also released their NFT marketplace. All of this is hinting that all these companies are not willing to fall behind on the upcoming Metaverse storm that may be coming, and all these NFTs are the building blocks for the Metaverse universe that is going to be built. The market of NFTs is still continuing its dry run. The most popular NFT marketplace, OpenSea, has seen its volume dry up to 99%. The daily volume is now nearly $5 million, which was $405 million just 4 months back. And the monthly volume has dropped 90% from its peak in January, which was at $4 billion. All these volume drops are suggesting drop in interest in blockchain based collectibles, because the demand that was growing for these collectibles was based on the fact that the price of these collectibles would keep on increasing. But with the base token, which is Ethereum, the price of the base token is now decreasing. It has come down from $4,000 to $1,500 currently. All these NFTs are facing the brunt of this crypto winter, and all this has led to this situation where this DAO called BendDAO, which used to give loans based on NFTs as collateral, is not able to recover its loans because all these collaterals, they now mean nothing to them because their prices has dropped significantly, and this has made a catch 22 situation. Solana faced a lot of criticism for its network congestion and network outages, which used to happen, and entire transaction on the blockchain would used to get halted. The co-founder of Solana has acknowledged this problem and has presented it as the biggest challenge that the protocol has to solve. But he also said that this is due to millions and millions worth of transaction happening on Solana every single day, and more users are choosing Solana for its fast and efficient blockchain, and that is exactly why this congestion and these outages are happening, which as for him is not necessarily a bad thing, but certainly something that they need to work on.